Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for Android, go to find the Roblox app. All right, so just tap and hold, and then tap on the information icon at the very top. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go and scroll down and tap on storage. Now, what you're going to want to do is just tap on clear cache first, and then followed by clear data. But before you hit on clear data, make sure that you remember your login credentials. All right. Remember your password and your username. So tap on clear data right here, and then your data will be zeroed. Once that's done, reopen up Roblox, and then you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, close it. And by the way, for iOS, just go ahead over to settings, iPhone storage, then find Roblox, and then just offload the app. And after that, you gotta go to your Play Store or your App Store and just find Roblox and just make sure that this one is fully up to date. If there's an update button, tap on it, and once done, tap on play, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That is how you fix Roblox not loading on mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.